Fellow boaters and friends, this is Kyle Roney with MarineMax Pompano and MarineMax Palm Beach. First of all, I want to wish you and your families the very best through this pandemic. I hope you're all faring well and stay healthy. I want to congratulate all of those who took to boating during this time and invested in spending time with family out on the water. I also want to congratulate and give a special thank you to all those who chose MarineMax to go boating through this pandemic. It is my hope that you've spent a lot of valuable time with your family and friends, and that this becomes a passion for you, something that sticks lifelong and that you can turn to and enjoy. I can tell you on a personal level, I spent last weekend out at Peanut Island with my wife and our two children, who are 19 months old, and we actually had 6 children on board, 4 under the age of 2, and it was just a tremendous time. We were out on the water, surrounded by boaters for the entire day on Saturday, and just a lot of people socially distancing and finding great recreation out on the water, and that's what I hope for you. We're coming to a very exciting time of year for the boating industry, and that's show season. So as we embark upon the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, we're going to have 3 great ways for you to save. So while at the show, MarineMax is going to be representing 10 premium brands, including Azimut and Benetti, Aviara, Boston Whaler, Galeon, Grady White, MJM, Ocean Alexander, Scout, and Sea Ray. With these 3 great ways to save, we want to invite you down to the show for way number 1, where we will have COVID protocols, social distancing, everything we can do to protect you, the consumer, while on premise at the show. Aside from that, we'll also be here at the showroom, where we can do private tours inside our beautiful facility in Pompano Beach, Florida. And beyond that, we're going to have an exclusive online sales event for private tours, scheduling virtual walkthroughs, all of which will qualify for the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show buying incentives. So there really has never been a better time or more of a reason for you to get out on the water and start enjoying this amazing recreation with your family. And we, MarineMax, would love to help you do that. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you either at the show, here in the showroom, or online for the exclusive sales event. Take care.